welcome back to my channel. And today we are gonna be and today we are gonna be I'm gonna show you guys how to make a YouTube how to make an avatar for YouTube. And I go to Spanish.
I'm done.
And then you
terrible.
could put a background, and this is going to be featuring @Bazan, and I plays games _1. And so, yeah.
Oh, Face Rivera.
On YouTube. And so I'm going to show you, and let's just start off.
She
So,
changed it?
Yeah, I'm going to just use this background, and you need to upload a photo. So, yeah, so you want to go make an own account. I'm going to type in Mario.
Wait, is it Queen YouTuber?
Dabbing. I'm going to type in Mario dabbing.
What is it?
Now you're going to press save image. And when that happens, then this is going to pop up and it's going to show that image. And then you're going to go back here. And then I'm going to add an image. So then you're going to click the image that you downloaded. And then it'll pop up in the corner. It usually is really small, but you could fix that. Let's see. Now it's bigger.
What's Clown Games? Oh, I know the physical. I got 25 subscribers.
Cool. I don't care. Alright, so when you're done with that, this will pop up, and you could add text. I'm going to add heading text because it's the biggest text. And then you could just move it like that. And then back this out. And now I'm going to do EMG. But then you could color it anything. And now I'm gonna press EMG. And now done. And then you're gonna press save. And then I'm gonna name it Pickle. Then you're gonna press save. And then this will pop up. Will show. Then you're going to press download, and then I will pick this because that's what I like. Then now I downloaded it, and then yeah, you made your own banner now. And then you go to your channel. I'm not going to click that because that says my personal information, and that's all I really want to say. And yeah, I hope you guys like that video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.